Hello, welcome to the Galactic Empire. This is one of my latest 3D printed projects, the F-11D. Completely 3D printed and fitted with electronics. Quickly run through, obviously what we've got in here is the major electronics. We've got the Arduino board and a recharge port, which is a mini USB recharge port. I don't know if you can see in there. So you can reprogram if need be and recharge. That whole thing is magnetically clipped onto there, so you can actually take the whole lot out. Hensler counter, you've got a magnetic front, so you can get to the DF Player Mini if you really need to. But for access to the micro SD card, volume control, and an on and off switch. Battery and everything is housed in here. You've got electronics in the scope, so you've got your scope display in there. And we've got a small mini LED red dot laser in there. This side we have 3 buttons. One for the laser, one for the flashlight, and one to change the display on the screen. 2 triggers, your main fire button and your weapon select. And on the Hensler counter, you've got a display screen here. And this is the weapon reload button on the bottom of the Hensler. I have done this one with an interchangeable pommel, so bear with me one moment and I'll just go and get the other one. Okay, welcome back. There's the other pommel, well, the stock for the heavy blaster, so you've got your shoulder stock, interchangeable. There is a screw so you can actually fasten it down if you want. So no more ado, let's switch it on and just run through it very quickly. On and off switch.
Please wait. Weapon systems initializing. The Blast Tech Industries weapon is now fully operational.
I don't know how well you'll be able to see the scope. There's a lot of reflection. We have a few different displays. I'll just quickly run through them. And for a bit of added extra, I've put a tiny speaker into the actual scope. And obviously there's the aliens. They're the only 2 that have actually got sound. I haven't put sound on any of the others. And that will just eventually stop. It's not a loop. There's another scope. And back to the beginning. So that is activated on the first button. The second button is the laser sight, the laser scope. The red LED dot laser in the actual scope. I don't know if you can see that.
Laser sight deactivated.
And the one nearest to the actual flashlight is the flashlight. As I say, standard trigger, the small display screen shows you what weapon you're on and your ammunition left. We're on the standard blaster. Obviously you've got the select. Pop the flame. You'll see that the ammo counts down in the display. Uzi machine gun. And as I say, to recharge, just push the button on the Hanksler. Mandatory Star Wars music, obviously. Various tracks, but they are random, so sometimes they do play the same track more than once. Stormtrooper phrases.
Death Star plans are not in the main computer.
Back to the blaster. If you hold the select button down for about 3 or 4 seconds,
All garrisons, be advised, DT-419 is now online.
you get basically a loop to play. As I say, if you are somewhere and you don't need the sounds, you can actually just pop this off and turn the volume right down. So now if we go to select, as you can see, we're on stun with no volume whatsoever. Turn it up. And then obviously just to switch off, I think I've run through everything, just flick your switch and it's off. Standard micro USB to recharge, but that is my F-11D. Hope you enjoy, hope you like, guys. The heavy version. Thank you.